Hi everyone, welcome to my Wwise and Unreal Engine 5 Weapon Ballistics System breakdown. Having created a series of weapon systems with firing, equip and reload mechanics, it was time to create a series of projectile collision systems to ground each weapon further in the world. The first step I undertook when creating this system was to evaluate which materials within my chosen map projectiles would collide with. These would be snow and metal. I then set about designing sound assets for each surface type and imported them into Wwise. This would culminate in the following layers: a random container of aerodynamic bullet sounds, a random container of metal impacts, and a random container of snow impacts. Each would be shared across all weapon types. I also set out to design impact sweeteners characteristic to each weapon. For the AK-47, a futuristic synthesized electrical impact. For the shotgun, a deep and powerful explosive impact. And the Winchester, a classic Hollywood ricochet sound. After this, I added a bullet distance RTPC to each layer, subtly controlling the initial playback delay of the impact sounds, and set up playback events for each surface type. Before applying each sweetener container to their respective weapon switch type, it was now time to set up my blueprint. I started by creating a custom event in Blueprints, triggered every time a weapon is fired. This event was then used to create a line trace from a forward vector of the first-person camera, ensuring the trace was always somewhat accurate to the player's aim. Following this, it was time to determine what to do with the results of every time the line trace hit something. In order to provide a realistic time delay for each impact, the value related to the distance travelled of each line trace was routed to several in-range nodes. These distance ranges were then used as conditions to set up the previously mentioned bullet distance RTPC if the length of the line trace was in the specified range. These values were then tweaked. As well as this, physical material information was gathered on each hit to ensure the playback of the correct material impact sound, and post-evented location nodes were supplied with the location of each line hit to ensure realistic spatialization and playback volume. Here is a quick demonstration of the system in action. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.